would cut it. When I turn it off, I turn it on, I turn it off, I just cut the video.
What's up, muchachos? How y'all doing? I know I've been missing for a while, but I'm back with an old-fashioned mukbang with a special guest, very special guest. This is Nana's godmommy.
My name is Denisha. My Instagram is @DenishaAndrea, and my YouTube name is Denisha Andrea. Y'all should really mess with me. I put hair videos, inspirational videos, makeup videos. You know, your girl just trying, start off and be somebody or whatever. So y'all should mess with the kid. I came from a job interview, so I'm giving that mom, sexy auntie kind of vibe.
I'm gonna be answering some questions that you guys left me. As you can see in the background, we are going to be cooking some nachos, which I'm going to have a separate video up just for that. So you're welcome. Of course, beautiful tonight. The one and only.
Hold on, wait.
The one and only. The one and only. Share the link.
She's cute.
Let's go ahead and get into this video.
I'm trying to put your heart together, fat and broken up. Going up smoke, smoking up. Make sure that
I didn't forget my drink. I got blue Powerade. If y'all know, y'all know.
So, in case y'all was wondering what I was sipping on. Anyways, let's go ahead and get into
And we're eating nachos. You can't eat nachos cute, so. You can't eat nachos cute. So.
No, yeah. I already told y'all, look. I chug, okay? I chug. First and foremost, I want to say why I was missing. Why it took such a long break from YouTube and social media. And it's just as simple as I had to get it together. I have so much going on in life and struggling with the kid, let me tell you. Move. So, I had to get together, get a job, and that good shit. And
First off, sorry. Sitting next to you, I look like I'm freaking huge. I'm only 5'7", guys. Like, I'm not no
I'm
small.
really small.
Exactly.
Okay?
I'm really, like, she's still from. I'm really just 5'7". I look freaking huge.
Yeah, so I just took a break so I can, gather my thoughts, fix my aura, all that goodness. So now we're here, and I'm back, and I'm better. Now getting into these questions, she's gonna answer them too, by the way. So, 1. Would you have another baby? If so, when? P.S. I want you to come visit me. I will come visit Florida, honey.
Florida.
Anytime. A person's Florida. But when I have another baby, of course I'll have another baby. But I'm not gonna have another one until I have all my finances and everything together, which I will probably give myself like 2 years, 2.5 years. So when I'm like 23 going on 24, I'll be ready to have another baby.
I don't have a baby. I have Snai. Snai my god baby, but when I'm ready to have my baby, I want to graduate first.
College.
Yeah, college, by the way. I have like 3.5 more years, and then I want to graduate and then have my own place, though. I have my stuff together, and plus, like, I don't want, like, no offense to nobody or whatever. I want to be married first. My man got to put the ring on it first, and then we gonna pop these kids out because I'm not doing it. And then what if we don't work out? And then he about to go. I got a new husband. I'm living my life with my new husband. And then I got to take my child to the baby daddy house. It's too much. I don't want all of that. So I want to secure it with the ring.
Before I leave this topic, ladies, make sure you have everything together. Like, seriously,
Everything.
it's really, 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 really hard trying to stay composed for your kid while you're trying to raise your kid. Mothering is, for me, it's not hard because my daughter's a good baby, but like the mental part of it is really difficult. So make sure you're mentally strong, you're physically strong, you have everything together before you have a kid. Make sure your baby daddy is the one.
Everything
you know what I'm
together.
saying? Everything has to be together.
You gotta have these goals for yourself.
That's what I'm saying, ladies. We have to set these goals all 2019, and we have to achieve them. Execute.
Period. And also just like think smart. Just because he telling you that he love you and all this extra stuff, you gotta look at his actions and what he's doing, and how he like actually
Be like,
carry
prove it to
himself.
me, baby. Prove it to
If
me.
he carry himself like, okay, this might be a good father, but if he carry himself like an F boy, and at the end of the day he's gonna be an F boy. You cannot make him into no grown man.
Right. You can't change nobody. They have to want to change themselves. Question number 2. What's your biggest fear? My biggest fear, honestly, is like leaving this planet and she's not taken care of. Like, when I'm gone, everything has to be together for her. Like, everything. Like, finances. She needs to have her own shit together. She needs to be making her own money, be in her own bag. She needs to have everything together. If she's not, that would probably be the most devastating thing ever as a mother. So,
I don't know what I'm scared of. I don't think I'm actually really scared of anything. No cap.
so I fuck with a tarantula and spiders.
I mean, if a spider ended up on my shoulder, I mean, I'm not gonna mess with it. Like, I'm like, whoa, chill. Like, if they're like, okay, either I put a spider on your shoulder or you're about to die, I'm like, put that spider on my shoulder, we're gonna see what's up. Like, I don't know. I don't think I'm really scared of anything. I'm probably scared of like dying and then not living up to the goals and everything that I set myself. So if I die and I did not do anything purposeful with my life or sow any good seeds, I'll be pretty salty.
Aside from, not being able to provide for my daughter, I'm scared of clowns.
Oh, God.
That's your nigga, my nigga.
Oh my God. I'm weak, bro.
I'm just kidding. But clowns seriously creep me out. Like, their big ass feet, their big ass fucking noses, like
No good.
them wide ass smiles. Like, what you smiling for? Like, why are you dressed like that? You're so goofy.
Remember when it was like that time? I don't know. It was in high school where like there was clowns everywhere and it was all on
2016?
Instagram. Yes, bro. And you was like, oh my gosh, like what if a clown came out of nowhere?
And number 3. How many siblings do you have?
I can tell you mine. So on my mom's side, like my dad, he had kids before my mom and him got married. So I have 3 older siblings. They all live like up north in New York and Pennsylvania and whatnot. And then once my parents got married, they had my older sister. She's 23. They had me, so I'm a middle child, and I'm 20. And then I have a younger brother, and he's 14.
I have 3 brothers and 2 sisters. Next question. Any tats? Yes, I have 2. I have one on my arm. I have one on my leg.
I have one. It's like, how do I explain it? Like, if I hold it this way, the words, it says beautiful, but then if I just hold it like this, you just think it's a rose with a stem. Pretty much.
How many kids do you want? Like 4 or 5?
5. That's a lot. That's my kids. I would say I want 3. But then if I have 4. But then if I get twins and one's a girl and one's a boy, that's it. I'm wrapping my tubes. I'm done. I got everything that I need.
Tie my tubes now.
Period.
Next question says, what do you do a dessert cooking segment? Yeah. You just gotta let me know what to cook or what you guys want to see.
When we were at Walmart, I was like, we should bake something. But I was just like, nah, I didn't eat breakfast yet. I'm hungry.
Yeah, just comment in the comment section down below what you would like me to cook dessert wise. I don't mind having the entrees, but the question was desserts. So comment a dessert down below.
I like baking, but I bake on my free time. Not a complete. I wouldn't put a baking video on
It is a
YouTube.
lot of work though, you guys.
Yeah, but I'll probably do a vlog, but y'all not gonna catch me. Well, that's a lot.
The next question is, how old is your baby? She turned 7 months on July 27th. So she is currently 7 months. My baby's getting big, y'all. I don't know. I'm sitting here. I've been stressing out about what I'm gonna do for her first birthday, and it's in December, and it's July. Like,
It's when?
July. Her birthday's in December.
Yeah.
I don't know what I'm gonna do.
Dang, we can't even do no like
And
a
she's
summer. Oh my god! Like, if it was a pool party, we get like unicorns and like a whole bunch of cute stuff.
yeah, but she's a winter baby.
Yeah.
I can have like a Christmas party. Her birthday is December 27th. Christmas is December 25th. So it's like I'm gonna have to combine it.
Bro, growing up, you're gonna deal with that headache all.
I'm gonna have to, you know what?
The rest
I'm
of
gonna
our
just be like, look, you choose Christmas or your birthday. Pick one.
Or on her gift, right?
Merry
Christmas, happy birthday. Period.
Merry Christmas birthday. Merry happy birthday.
I'm like,
Next question says, what's new? I'm assuming you're asking what's new in general.
I don't know. Can I answer this question?
Sure.
I started taking my YouTube stuff serious. I've been wanting to do YouTube for forever, and I would like make videos here and there, but then I wouldn't be consistent. But
Little does she know, she made this. I think it was like one of her first videos. She made like a motivational video.
I have a lot of them.
I watched it every day, like
Every day?
I watched it every day.
You never told me? You're weird. No, but,
I watched it every day for motivation.
but no, for real. I make motivational videos, and then I did like makeup videos here and there, and then also I just did a hair video. But I don't know, like I just started taking it serious, and also I just want to like just start following my purpose. So really and truly, I'm just trying to, you know, do me, get right. What else is new? I go back to school August 14. I'm a GGC student, and I am proud because a lot of y'all be talking down on GGC, but GGC is perfectly fine because at the end of the day, when I graduate with my nursing degree, it's gonna say my name, and that's it. That's it. That's all I want. It's to just have a degree. So, and plus I feel like if I went to like Georgia State and all that, I'm just gonna get distracted. So
yeah, boys and parties
and just drugs and
drugs and boys.
just everything. I feel like it's just gonna be a big distraction. So right now, your girl's chilling. Your girl's chilling.
I couldn't go to college.
What about you?
I would never be in school.
Bro, what? Campus at GGC, it was kind of, the college is so much different than high school because if you skip, no one will hit your line, like, where you at? Like, they'll not call your parents. There's none of that. So several times, one time I went to go get Panda. This is when I was living on the dorms. I went to get Panda. I walked back to my dorms. I ate my Panda. I was so full. I was like, forget my class. I didn't go. I did not go. I did not go. I told.
Oh, I'm so full.
I emailed my teacher. I'm so sorry. I'm just feeling under the weather. I just don't know what's going on.
Under the Panda Express weather.
Bro, didn't go.
What's new for me? I have a little something that I've been working on, but I'm not about to say anything about.
Oh yeah, I have too.
I'm sorry.
No cap. I have a big something.
Y'all will know soon. I will come out with a video about it.
What are you working on? We just look this out. Oh, you never told them?
No.
Sis.
I can't.
Oh.
I want to do everything at the same time.
With me, I have something big coming out. I have a lot of stuff big coming out. My own this, and my own that. And when it come out, y'all better support. Y'all better support.
Why not support? We support each other. How the hell are we supposed to lift each other up and we can't support each other? Everybody wants to be in competition. It's not a competition.
Like, when you start focusing on
other people's shit,
you're not inside your
track.
lane.
Right.
Like, if you really think about it, like,
when I went like to have the guy said at church one time.
Yeah.
So you can't be running.
You can't be running, but then looking at somebody else because it's like your focus is not even on yourself anymore.
Lane. Tunnel vision, always. I'm not allowed to talk about yet. I'm gonna be sharing with you guys in about 2.5 weeks. So make sure Yeah. So make sure you look out. Well, make sure you at my social media. I'm gonna
I was there. Sorry.
put it here. Yes, follow that and be on the lookout for that announcement that is coming very soon. I have started. Well, I haven't started working, but I have a lot of interviews lined up, which I know that I'm gonna get, considering that I have a lot of experience. And you know, I gotta keep a positive mindset. Positive mindset. Other in her life, yes, he is very active in her life. He's working on some things, but he's not absent.
Y'all questions be bold as hell.
Yeah.
Be bold as hell.
I'm not coming on here bashing my child's father either,
Period.
so don't expect that.
And if it wasn't,
Right.
then
and
what?
If it wasn't, then.
These niggas are trying to get the tea on everybody's lives.
Right, but he is active in her life. Yes. He sees his baby. Yes. I'm not gonna bash him. No. Do you want more kids?
What are these baby questions?
I know.
When was the first time you had your first kiss kind of questions? Like, dang.
What's the hardest part of life you're dealing with right now? My mental. Going through the things that I went through while I was gone has been super difficult. So I've been trying to work on my mental, but it's getting better. So
Okay.
it's good. Yeah.
The hardest thing that I'm, dealing with right now in my life. Is my mom texting me?
Just missed that.
Is trying to cut off my bad habits. Truthfully, I have bad habits that I've been doing since I was a child, and I want to stop and progress and do better in life, and it's pretty hard. But
Things that are like gonna have the best outcome that are the hardest things to get through.
But it's like, it's so strong. Like, it's just such a strong. It's literally like that's why like people say a stronghold. It is a stronghold.
Yeah.
So I'm trying to overcome that. I will. I'm gonna get through it. That's period. It's just that's what I'm going through right now. But I mean, I'm straight. Like, I'm not depressed or anything. Just trying to conquer all my old stuff. Go ahead, your channel.
So, those are all the questions that I'm going to answer for this video because it is relatively long. I'm going to have so much editing to do. But, yeah, like I said, if you enjoy this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, you subscribe, and you share with your friends. And leave a comment in the comment section on what kind of dessert you guys want me to make. And I will make it. If you would like to see part 2 of this video, head over to Denisha's channel, which is going to be in the description, and I'm going to put it on the screen.
And when you head over to my channel, don't just be one of those people and just like watch the video, just subscribe.
Right, when you
That'll make me smile. I'm so serious.
That's what I'm saying. Like, when you guys subscribe, when you show love, it makes a bitch feel good.
You know what? It's really funny. I posted a video like 2 o'clock in the morning. I woke up. I had 7 views. Yeah, I smiled so hard. Like, but it's just 7 though. But it's just like the simple things. And so support your girl.
I do want to say, because I don't say often, the little fan base that I have built up, like the little supporters that I have built up over the course of the months that I've started YouTube. I started YouTube last year, November. I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers, which is really good. And I have a lot of people that show love, like on my social medias and stuff like that. I just want to say thank you. And I appreciate you guys so much. And I really, really, honestly, truly do not know if I would even be doing this right now if it wasn't for you guys. So, thank you. I love you. Like I said, if you would like to check out part 2 of this video, head over to Denisha's channel, which is going to be located on the screen once again. Head over to that video. And if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you give it a thumbs up. You subscribe and you share with your friends. Don't forget to leave a comment. And I'll see you in the next video.